This is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to use a pivot transformation in our SSIS package. Here I have a data like employee name, sale year, and that sale month and sale amount. In that particular month, how much sale has been done. So actually, what is a pivot transforming? For this pivot transformation is nothing but converting individual row data into a separate column. That means here this individual row data which I have here in January, February will be these months will be converted into like a separate columns over here. This is how what is a pivot transforming. Like this individual row column is converted into a columns over in our output. So here what I am going to do is in that particular employee in that particular year for each month how much sales she has been done, that one I am going to do by how this pivot transforming is done. So here for that I am going to taking a new SSIS package. In here new SSIS package, first data flow task, I'm double clicking here, and for here I have a data flow. Like our source is our flat file source. So my flat file source I'm going to create a flat file connection manager. Here new connection manager, sales, open. Here you can see the column name tab delimited. Here this advanced, here's a sale here is a of data type string, so I doesn't want that one into for, as it is an year is an integer, I'm converting that into an integer. So okay, so my flat file connection manager has been done, and the next thing is I have to pivot that one. Like how to convert that one, I am going to use this pivot transformation. So I am going to connect this pivot. Here you can see I have a pivot key, set key, and pivot value. These values I should provide here. First of all, what is a pivot key? Here if you see the values in the input data from this column will become a new column names in the output. That is here what I have like this input. If you want to see here, see values in the input data from this column, values in the input data from this means this month January, February will become new column names. So what column I should give? Here the sale month I have to give as a pivot key, and the next thing is set key. Set key is identifies a group of input rows that will get pivoted. We have to identify. So here I am going to do as it's I am going to sort it. Like for 2000 what is the one, 2001 what is the sales she has been done. So like that I am going to create that one into a group and sorting. So what you have to do is the input data must be sorted on this column. Here we have to sort it there, and the values from this column will be mapped to new pivot output column. So values what I have is here the sale amount value should be mapped in this output column. So this is how what I have to give. So first what I am going to give for this set key, I am going to sort that one for. So by using sort transformation I am going to do that one. First of all I am deleting this connection, and now I am going to do a sorting one. So I am using a sort here. So which one I have to sort is sale year. Other one will be the passing through this one. So only this year I have to sort. So I am going to give as a sort one. So okay. So here it is sorted, and then now I am going to do a pivot transforming. So I am passing this into pivot transforming. Here what the pivot key will be my sale month. Here set key will be my year, and this will be the sale amount. Here ignore unmatched pivot key and report them after data flow task. So here the values which we have to give, we have to get it from a debugger outdoor window. So now I am going to keep it okay, and now I am going to run this one. So here we will be getting a this value, sorted value controls. I'm copying this one like April, August, December. This will be, and I'm stopping the execution, and here I am going to paste that one. So here I am going to paste, create columns. So now I have created these columns. See, April sale amount, all the columns has been created. So okay, and the next thing what I'm going to is I'm the multicasting the data. So here I am going to enable my data viewer, and here the year sort and everything. Now if I execute this, see, this is the output what we got: sale, year sort, sale amount, April sale amount, August in alphabetical order it's coming, December, February. So this is how our sales has been like a pivot transformation. Transformer data has been executed, but we doesn't want that type of data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm changing the row names and everything. So for that, right click, show advanced editor. I didn't get my employee name also, so I am going to say input columns. I am going to select that one, and input and output columns. So here I have employee name. Here I am going to copy this lineage value like 43. It is an lineage values, and again the pivot output columns. Here I doesn't have this employee name, so I am going to give as a employee name, and here source column will be my 43. So if I give this one, I'll get that all the data, string data and every data properties will be matched. And the other thing is I am going to change those names like employee sale year, and here I doesn't want all this sale amount and that and all. I am going to give as April, August, I am renaming those things. Just removing those names. Last one, September. So okay, now if I run this one, see, like we'll get all this employee. I didn't get the employee names, so employee name, here I have employee name, so I'm going to add this employee in our column name. So okay, Now if I run this one, I'll get all the employee names and every employee name, and see here I have for 2000 sale year. For that employee name, for the individual month, what is the data she has been, like 2000, 2001, 2002. So this is how this employee has been data has been pivoted. This is how this transformation has been done in our SSIS package. So if you like my video, please subscribe my video and share my video. Thank you for listening.